Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my very own flaxseed hair gel. I like to use this in my oldest daughter's hair because I don't really like buying over-the-counter gels for my kids' hair. So I like to make just about everything for her hair as much as possible. This is the only gel that I use in her hair and have used in her hair. It's super easy, like I said, and quick and affordable. Puts a little oomph on her curls and make her curls pop a little more. So we're just gonna jump straight into the video. Before I jump straight into the video, you already know what you have to do. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and thumbs up this video, like it, share it, and let's just jump straight into the freaking video. Start off with, you're going to need some measuring cups to measure your flax seeds and your water. This is the flax seeds that I like to use. You can get it from Walmart or Target. Then you're going to need your small pot. Really doesn't matter the size. You're going to mix 2.5 cups of water. Then you're going to take 1/4 of a cup of flax seeds and add that to your water as well. I'm going to turn the stove up on high for about 10 minutes until that starts to boil. Give it a little mix so that the flax seeds are cooking evenly. Now that this has came to a boil and it's boiling pretty good, I'm now going to turn the stove back down to medium. Now that this is all done, I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes to cool off. I'm going to be using these containers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to be adding in some avocado oil and coconut oil. You do not have to use these particular oils. You can use whatever oils you would like. Now that the gel has cooled off and is at the correct consistency, you need a bowl and a strainer so that you can strain the gel into the bowl. You want to take a spoon or a spatula or whatever you can find to smush the flax seeds down into the strainer to strain the actual gel into the bowl. You want to keep doing that until there is no more gel. This is how it should be looking, and that is basically all you do, guys. I have all my flaxseed gel drained. I am now going to take my coconut oil and I'm going to mix that up a little bit, and then I'm going to be taking my avocado oil. I'm going to do 3 drops and I'm going to mix that in as well. Now you're going to take a funnel and then you're going to pour your gel into the funnel, into the container, and once you get it all in the container, you're going to shake it up, and then bam, guys, you have your very own homemade flaxseed gel. Okay, I'm all done. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like. Make sure you are subscribed again. And like I always say, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.